How to get Temu Energy without sharing. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Temu is already installed on your device. If not, you can head over to your App Store or the Play Store and then install it on your device. Open the app once it has been installed. Enter your login credentials and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this homepage. Move into You at the very bottom. In here, you can see the option of Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Well, this option might not be available to you or any other users. It's because you are in a different country. You simply have to set the country to United States and then this option will appear on your account. In order to do so, click on this gear icon at the very top right. Head over to Country and Region. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and then select United States. Once you have set the country to United States, this option will automatically appear and then you have to move into it. Different options and offers will be available to you. From all of these three options, you can head over to any one of it. After that, follow the on-screen prompt and you'll be good to go. You don't have to share or do anything. Simply click on it and follow the prompt and you'll receive the Temu Energy. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get Temu Energy without sharing. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.